Hello, I'm Mike Clemens from IDenticard. In this video we're going to talk about smart ribbons and how you load them in the smart IDcard printer. IDenticard offers several smart ribbon types. In the ribbon's name are letters such as YMCKO that can help tell what the ribbon is best suited for. What do the letters mean, I hear you ask? I bet you didn't know I could hear you through your computer's microphone. Y is yellow, M is magenta, C is cyan, a shade of blue, K is resin black, and O is a clear overlay varnish used to protect the card from fading. Out of these primary colors, YMC, come all the colors of the rainbow for beautiful, sharp, full-color photos and images, and razor-sharp black text and barcodes come out of the K panel. The Smart YMCKO ribbon is used for full-color printing on one or both sides of a card. It produces 250 single-side cards or 125 duplex cards with color front and back. In this card example, I have the same thing printed on the front and back. A true no-flip card. It's right side up no matter how it flips. The Smart YMCKFO is the special security ribbon that prints 200 single-side cards or 100 duplex cards with full color on one or both sides and an invisible UV fluorescent image for counterfeit protection and authentication. Let's see if we can see the image fluoresce. I think that's showing pretty well. Smart's YMCKOK ribbon is for the duplex printer. It prints 200 cards with full color on the front and black on the back. This ribbon will not print color on the back. If you need back color, for instance, to mask a barcode, choose the YMCKO ribbon. Smart KO is a black-only ribbon which prints 600 single or 300 duplex cards with resin black and O-panel protection. Use this ribbon if cards are going to be exposed to a lot of sunlight or worn outdoors. Over time, sunlight exposure can make PVC cards turn brown without UV protection of the O panel. Smart K is a monochrome black ribbon which prints 1200 single-side or 600 duplex cards. Use this ribbon for black-only text and barcodes. Unless the card is exposed to a lot of sunlight, this is a good ribbon choice for black-only printing. All smart ribbons identify themselves to the Smart IDcard printer by having a smart RFID chip embedded in them. The chip not only tells the printer what type of ribbon it is, but it also keeps track of the number of prints remaining. A handy thing to know so you don't unexpectedly run out of ribbon. The Smart IDcard printer uses a removable cassette for easy print loading. To remove the cassette, first open the top lid. Be careful of the print head. It is very susceptible to damage if you bump it with a ring or a wristwatch as you reach in to grab the cassette. Locate the part of the cassette that has the word top engraved and lift the cassette out of the printer and set it aside. Open the ribbon. You'll see that each ribbon is packed with a sticky cleaner roller. Remove the ribbon from the protective plastic wrap. Remove the strap that holds the ribbon together. Notice that one end has a flange. The flange contains the RFID chip, and it also has a graphical representation of what the ribbon is. This ribbon is a YMCKO ribbon, as represented by the little color panels yellow, magenta, cyan, black, and white, which is really clear. That's how you can tell what type of ribbon you have. Turn the cassette so that the ribbon wells where they go in is facing you. And you'll notice one of them says take up and one is supply. The supply is the roll that's full of brand new ribbon. Put the supply roll in the supply well with the flange going to the closed hole. Notice that's a closed hole, that's a slot. So flange to closed hole, push the other pin down through the slot, put the take-up spool in the other well, press it down through the slot. Notice the gears always go to the slots, the flange goes to the hole. The cleaning roller goes up front and will go in these little slots. Take the cleaning roller next, push it into the slots. It'll click in. This is the protective overcoat that will keep the roller from sticking to things until you're ready to use it. Carefully peel it off. Now the cassette is ready to go back into the printer. Make sure you wind it so that there's no loose ribbon hanging down. Next, insert the cassette into the printer with the sticky roller toward the front or toward the LCD display. It should drop right in. Once it's in, slowly close the lid. You should feel no binding and push it shut, and that's it. You have just loaded a ribbon into your printer. One more thing I'd like to show you is how to fix a ribbon that's torn in half. Ribbon tears are rare, but they can happen, especially if you feed a previously printed card back into the printer. Some printers that use cassette ribbons are hard to repair when the end of the ribbon winds inside the spool and you can't get to it. Not the Smart. Its open cassette system means you can easily repair a broken ribbon simply by taping the ends together, like you're going to see me do right now. Just get a little small piece of Scotch tape and take the good end of the supply ribbon to the take-up spool. Wind the take-up spool so that you're into new ribbon and you're done. Just insert the cassette back into the printer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it's been as fun for you as it was for me to make. Now, as a smart ribbon expert, you can amaze your friends by knowing how to fix ribbons. From the whole IDenticard team, thanks for watching and print smart.